If you love staying hydrated but hate boring drinks, then sugarcane juice is your new best friend. First up, it's a natural energy booster. Those natural sugars give you a steady energy supply, perfect for those scorching days. Plus, it's packed with essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Great for bone strength, heart health, and metabolism. But wait, there's more. Sugarcane juice is a liver's best buddy, aiding recovery from conditions like jaundice and maintaining your electrolyte balance. And let's not forget digestive health. Its high potassium content keeps your system running smoothly. Need an immunity boost? The antioxidants in sugarcane juice strengthen your immune system, helping you fight off common infections. And for glowing skin, those alpha-hydroxy acids work wonders. So, next time you're craving a refreshing drink, grab a glass of sugarcane juice. Your body will thank you. Like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.